Hello everyone, I am Dheeraj Rane. Welcome you all for online tutorial of automatic certificate generation from Google Form responses. Today we will see how the participant will get his scorecard participation certificate immediately after completion of test in his registered mail ID. Nowadays, online education is having big increasing role in our life. Nearly all education institutions are having share of online teaching in education system. In my last session, we have discussed automatic generation of quiz using Google Forms. You can view it from references. Today we will see a nice approach to generate certificate for the same quiz-like responses. The lecture flow will be like this. First of all, we will see prerequisites. Then how to create form in short. Then creating and linking Google Sheet with the forms. Later on, adding add-on account, which is the requirement one for this particular task. The setting enable Google Sheet to the add-on, launching add-on, link certificate document from Google Docs, mapping data field of form responses with certificate templates. Last will be setting and run. For better understanding and practical implementation, we must have some prerequisite preparation. We should have knowledge about three Google packages as Google Drive, Google Form, and editing of Google document. Okay, let's start working on it. For this purpose, it will be better if we can have separate folder on Google Drive. It will be easy for us to manage documents. To create a new folder, go to Google Drive and click on icon shown with image. Give some relevant folder name. I am using certificate folder herewith. Next job is to create certificate template. There are a number of ways to create Google Doc. The simplest way is to create new doc from Google Drive itself. Editing of Google Doc need little knowledge about formatting. We are having separate small tutorial for it. For this demonstration purpose, I have created a dummy certificate template shown with the figure. You add name of institute, name of course, authorized authority, etc. as per your requirement. In certificate template, you can put fixed content as text like college name, logo, course name, etc. But particular data of the participants has to collect from Google Forms. For this purpose, we use tag code as shown here. All the changes get saved automatically with the Google Drive. So come back using blue account shown here with. Next job is to create Google Form. We have here flow sequence to do so. We are having tutorial for the detailed process about it. You can get link from tutorial references. In Google Form, we can do formatting related to job here as quiz. Most of the questions we use with quiz are multiple choice question and short answer questions maybe. Make all questions compulsory. We have to take care a little bit about setting. As it's a competition, we must have to collect mail IDs, select single response from one mail ID, create response Google Sheet with proper name. To create response sheet, use process shown with the diagram. Click on green icon and select to create new sheet. Give some proper name as you like. Up to so far, we are ready with quiz. Next job is to add an add-on AutoCAD. There are many alternatives. You may choose either as per your choice. Add-on installation process is given with reference document with all flow sequence diagrams. Installation add-on will be available with menus as shown with diagram. Click open. You will see the window to create new job. As you click open, it will start working on our job. Give a suitable name to it. This will help you to identify our task if later on you want to edit anything. Next step is to select certificate template. You may select existing one from Google Drive. There is a choice to create a new one from here. As you know, we have already created one certificate template as shown in the figure. We will select it. After selecting template, add-on identifies the data tag defined in the certificate. By default, it selects active sheet, better say workbook. Header consider for the data labeling. Here our job is to map tag defined in the certificate with the fields of Google Form responses. For example, name will be full name, as name tag is defined in certificate and form is having full name as a field. While mapping tag with data, in case not remembering the tag defined, we are having blue bar on left hand side. Click it. We will see all defined tags. Select it by right click and paste it on required field. Then select document type has to generate. There are two options only, Google Doc and PDF. We will select PDF. For output field, we will select multiple output mode so that each person will get its own certificate only. In this window, we will set name of certificate file. I choose name of participant and certificate. We may add value from response form. We may access with the same name pattern of tag we have used while generating certificate. Choose the destination folder to create all certificate files. It's compatible to use same folder we are using for quiz forms and certificate templates. This is all about last setting. The fields are well explanatory itself. Share doc. Yes, obviously we are sharing document. Share doc as PDF. As we have discussed, there are two options, Google Doc and PDF. We have choose PDF. Allow collaborators to reshare. We are saying no. Send from generic no reply addresses. We are saying no. This is so far. We have done everything with creation of certificate. Now it's turn to dispatch certificate to participant. We are having settings for it, whereas data is very simple and well explanatory itself. The first tag is the to. Use the blue bar again to copy the email tag and paste it here. You know that the most of the time we use it is the email address, so we use that tag. Then CC, if you want to keep it CC somewhere, obviously in this particular demo I'm not using it, it will be none. Then BCC, none, obviously. The reply to, in case the participant want to reply to some of the queries of any of the issue, so that particular mail ID there, you may give some alternate mail IDs, no issue. Type in the subject, it's a subject line. We may like to have to create with the name of the person and the certificate and subject and something like that. Message also you may you may make specific to the participant by saying that dear Ajay, if the Ajay is the participant, so that particular name you may take from the form tag itself. Now it's about to finish the job. Select S for run on form trigger if you would like to certificates to be generated automatically on form submission. Getting me? Run on form trigger means whenever the form will be get trigger and some input will be there, it will generate the certificate. Now select S for run on time trigger if you would like to certificate to be generated every 1 hour, 2 hour and so on, and the time period whatever you require. You may say that you have defined the quiz for a particular duration of 1 hour, and some of the students might have completed it prior to that particular time. So they will get immediately certificate at their submission, and you are expecting that all the participants will get certificate after the completion of the particular time schedule for the event. So you may do like that. You will make it on the basis of the time also. There is no issue. But in either case, you have to enable the trigger. So you say enable the trigger and yes, and it will merge the job and will do our work accordingly. Now the job is over. Certificates are about to send. There are various options to send certificate. You may send it by email, sharing URL, etc. After user response to form, respondent will receive certificate on his entered mail ID. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can get all prerequisites and reference material from description link. You may contact me in case of any query and or suggestions. My mail ID is dheerajranewebspace@gmail.com. My mobile number is 9881711174. My WhatsApp number is same. Here's the link for demo purpose. You may check it. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel. See you again. Bye.